All right, thanks for checking out the channel. And I've got something for you today. I've got a new product that just launched. So I want to tell you about it. We're going to do a demo of the product and so forth. But before we do that, I just want to talk to you a little bit about why you would maybe want to pick up the product from my link below, because I'm going to be giving out exclusive bonuses. And the bonuses that I give out are exclusive and they're unique and they're creative based on somebody that has made $500,000 with affiliate marketing. A lot of that money has come from Warrior Plus marketing, JVZoo marketing, and email marketing, affiliate marketing. So this is the industry that I make my money in. And so the bonuses that I create are uniquely catered to the product that you are looking at today. And so I wanted to just show you around who you are watching this video from, right? So my name is David, and I've been working full-time as an affiliate marketer for the last 4 years. I run multiple YouTube channels. I promote some products on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo. I was going to show you some of my stats. So like right over here, we're almost at $1,000 the last 30 days on Warrior Plus. I've only promoted a couple products. And then when we come over here and you look at the Warrior Plus wallet, you're going to see I always have money coming in right over here. So we have this much money right here that I could go and actually withdraw this by pushing this button right over here. And we have some that are pending right there. And then another place that I promote products is a place called JVZoo, right? And a lot of the time it's software. And so today, right here, it's actually 9 a.m. at the time of recording this video. And you can see that today we've already made $950. We've made 22 sales. So no, this was not a large ticket or big ticket item, right? This was 22 sales and we've brought in almost $2,000 worth of revenue for the company that we're promoting, right? So $950 right there. And then we can come over here to affiliates and then go to quick stats and we'll just look at some more numbers. And I'm really just showing you what is possible and also just really trying to get you to see that the products and the bonuses that I'm creating are going to be uniquely catered to the product you're going to be looking at. And so I create these products that I think will help you best and getting the best value from that product. All right, so you can see there's that cash right there. Then we go and we look at the last 7 days. And that's right here, $1,800 right there. And then we'll just go look at all time. And this is just to show you that, so there we go, running $47,000 right there. This is just to show you what's possible with affiliate marketing and some of the tactics that I will be displaying to you and creating unique bonuses for you. You will be able to pick those up and get training from somebody that's actually out there getting results in their business. So now let's tune in to today's product showcase and demo.
Introducing Books Kit Galaxy, an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to create stunning ebooks, workbooks, and other low-content books without the hassle of complex design software. With a vast library of over 210 customizable Canva templates, you can design eye-catching covers, tables of contents, and chapter layouts in just minutes, even if you're not a design expert. This toolkit is tailored for authors, educators, small business owners, and freelancers, allowing you to showcase your expertise and establish brand authority effortlessly. The templates are fully editable, making it easy for you to personalize every aspect of your ebook, from visuals to fonts. Plus, you can obtain either a commercial or private label rights license, giving you the option to sell your creations and keep 100% of the profits. Imagine transforming your content into professional-grade ebooks that stand out in a competitive market and attract more readers. With our simple 3-step process, you can finally skip the headaches of content creation and dive straight into profitability. Don't miss out on this opportunity to amplify your content marketing strategy and grow your business with ease.
Thank you so much for checking out the demo of this product today and taking a look at the custom bonuses that I have to offer you if you pick up the product with my link below. So all you have to do is you can actually go and click the link below, and then it will pull up and show you what these unique bonuses are. And if you actually decide that this product is for you, you go ahead and purchase that product, you will get instant access to these bonuses that were designed just for this product. Okay, so thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the latest products that will be coming out on the market, and I'll see you in the next video.